we'll be playing Hypershock, but sadly my cousin is not here because you know, she like her cousin was called her her classmate was calling and she couldn't play with me, and she was also using her phone, which was laggy, yeah. And now I'm playing alone, yeah. Maybe you're just probably sitting like there, Sky. You should have played it 3 minutes ago. But if you were saying that we couldn't because actually we were playing Animal Hospital. Yeah, it's my new favorite. But if you guys wanna know how I got this, like, for the aim thingy, wait, hold up. Wait, I'm gonna just make myself die. I'm going to the flag so I can show you guys. Oh, I accidentally killed one. There you go. Okay, where is it? You have to click on the thingy over here and then crash hard, and then it's only what you have to do, yeah. That's my crash art first. Oh my god, I hate my crash art. Smiley face. Wee! Mang, bilis mo naman. Happy. Mama, pwede tayo magpatugtog?
Magpatugtog?
Bakit? Why no?
Sita tayong gamit na cellphone.
Oh my god. And your TV. Oh, looks like someone is fighting there. Oh my god, I want this game so bad. Oh! Okay, I think that's it. Bye guys! Like and subscribe.